Okay, so this is just going to be a tutorial on how to use Toebes. So you can see I'm already at the test manager already, but basically what you want to do is you want to go to tobes.com/codebusters/index.html. Should take you to this landing site, and you want to go to test manager. This is already assuming that you went onto Google Classroom and you downloaded the JSON file for the homework already. So, oops. What you want to do, you scroll down. You won't have to scroll down this far since you probably don't have any tests in there. But you want to import test from file. You want to find the file, week 2 homework, import, and you should see this screen. You're on the edit test screen right now. Okay, you know what? I'll just give you guys 20. You don't have to do all 20 if you don't want. It's fun though, so I think you could. Yeah, so what you can do from here, if you go to test packet, obviously please don't go to answer key unless you're like super stuck on just one. What you can do is you can hit Control P, and then you can print it to like whatever printer you might have at home, or you can go like the library if it's not available at home for you, or you can save it as PDF and use something like a PDF editor to just draw on it online like I do during our lessons. Alternatively, you could go to interactive test, publish new test. Okay, it's broken for me, so I can't exactly do this, but if you go to interactive test, publish test, it's not always working, it's not always reliable, but usually the guy has it set up correctly. You hit add one. You're basically like scheduling the test for yourself, so you hit schedule test after you publish the test. You hit add one. You type in your email. You select what time you want to take the test, and then you go to take a test. It should appear for you here. It should say like start test in a blue button. These I've already taken, so they're not available to take, like it says test ended, but that's how you could take it online if you wanted to. Okay, have fun.